Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a resume in Canva. In this video, we'll be showing you step by step on how to create a professional looking resume that stands out. If you haven't already signed up for the Canva account, it's an easy process and only takes a few minutes. You can also check my video in the description as well on how to sign up for the Canva, so it will make it easier for you. Once you are logged in, navigate to your Canva homepage and here into search for the template for the resume. Just write resume and select this one, and here you will be having some of the templates for your resume. You can scroll all the way down and click on the free, so it will show you only the free templates. Select any template that fits your description. By scrolling down, you can see there are some more of the templates. You can select any one of these, or you can continue with this one. Just click on customize this template. Just click on it, and there you have it. You can increase this slider to see the formats and the writing. Now it's time to add your own content. You can just double click on it and write your own name. You can also add your name here. If you don't want this one, just click on this delete. You can add a very brief description about yourself. You can add the education part here. Or if you want to add another one, select both of these. Just take a copy of these and place it just right here. Just like that. Now you can add your own education on this one. You can simply just double click on it and write your university or the college that you have gone. Now under that, you can add the description. You can add your own skills. For example, this resume is for the graphic design, so you can add the skills according to you. You can add your experience here. You can also add your website, your phone number, or your telephone number, or your email address from here. You need to simply just double click on it and write your own email address. Now after changing the text, let's change the picture. You can just double click on it and hit on delete. Now upload your own picture. Now select your image. Now drag it on top of this picture, and there you go. Once your content is added, it's time to format your design. You can also change the color of this one just by click on it and unlock this layer. Now select the color and change it to anything you want. And after that, once you're done with this, it's time to download. You can simply just click on file and click on download. You can select any format you want, as it is best suited for the resume and the CVs to have a PDF format. Just click on it and click on download. Now your resume is downloaded. Now you can upload your resume to the job sites or email it directly to the potential employers. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you have learned how to make a professional looking resume in Canva. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.